Are you hungry?
No, why?
We've been driving for a long time. I think we'd better find some place to eat soon.
No, I'm okay, we're late, so we'd better not stop.
We've passed that same store 3 times already. I think we're lost. We should someone for directions.
We're not lost.
I've never gone this way before. Do you know where you're going?
Yes, this road goes through town. It's faster than the highway.
Okay, would you mind driving a little slower, please?
Sure, no problem.
Did you see that sign back there? I think this is a one-way street.
No, I didn't see it. I'm going to have to turn around.
You can't turn around here. I think you should let me drive.
I think you're right. I'm getting tired.
Adam, can you do me a favor?
Sure.
I can't find my purse. Can you help me?
No problem. I'll help you look for it.
Thanks.
What color is it?
It's black.
Did you look in the kitchen?
Yes, I already looked there.
I'll look in the living room.
Did you find it?
No. It's not in there. When was the last time you saw it?
I had it when I went to the library this morning.
Do you think you might have left it there?
Maybe. I'll call the library and ask them if anyone found it.
Wait! Is this it?
Yes, that's it. That's my purse. Thanks for helping me find it.
Excuse me, sir. Will you take a picture of us?
Sure. This is a really nice camera.
Thanks. My parents gave it to me.
How do you use it?
You press this button here.
Come a little closer. Wait, that's too close. Move a little to the left. Move back a little farther. Okay, stay right there.
Do you mean here?
Yes, that's good. Oh, I can't get it to work.
You need to hold down the button for about 3 seconds.
Okay, I got it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Smile.
Hi, Tracy. What's going on?
Hi, Thomas. I'm waiting in line to buy a VTV player.
The line is too long. Why don't you come back tomorrow?
I think you're right. They're going to close soon.
Let's go get some coffee.
Okay, wait a minute. I have to get something out of my purse. Will you hold this for me?
Sure. Oops.
What happened?
I dropped your calculator. Is it broken?
I'm not sure. Let me have a look. No. I don't think it's broken. The button came off though. I can fix it.
Sorry about that.
Don't worry about it. I do that all the time. If it is broken, I have another one in my car.